Welcome to In the Lab. Today we're going to be looking at colour changes in chemistry. In front of us we have sodium carbonate, phenolphthalein and hydrochloric acid. Now, Mr. Walker, what are we going to be doing with them today?
Well, as we like to do in chemistry, we're going to mix them together and see what happens. And it does involve a colour change. I'll tell you that, but I want you to guess the rest. Now I'll set it up for you and then I'm going to ask you a question. First of all, let's get some sodium carbonate. It's called anhydrous because it hasn't got any water connected to the molecules, but it will have some water very soon. If I put some in there, a couple of spatulafuls, stir it up with my glass rod, I have now got a solution of sodium carbonate. That solution is at the moment transparent, you can see through it, and it's colourless because it has no colour. I'm going to add some phenolphthalein or phenolphthalein, you can say it however you wish. At the moment this is also transparent and it's colourless. So what happens when you put two transparent and colourless liquids together? Well, have a guess and let us know.
Welcome back. Hopefully you've had a bit of time to think about what's going to happen in a second. So Mr. Walker, do you want to show us what would happen?
Well, hopefully this is what you wrote, or you thought about. I'm going to squeeze the top of our little stopper and get some phenolphthalein or phenolphthalein into the end of it. Come a little closer, have a look. And as I drop it in, you will see it goes a lovely pink colour. And if I stir it up a little bit more, we get that beautiful pink colour that phenolphthalein does when it comes across an alkali solution. That's because phenolphthalein or phenolphthalein is an indicator. It indicates the pH of something that's there. When something's neutral, colourless. When it's acidic, colourless. But when it's alkaline, it goes this lovely pink colour.
So based on that, Mr. Walker, is there any way that we can reverse this reaction and change the colour back?
Oh, you want to make it back to colourless again or transparent?
Yeah, I'd be interested to see that.
Absolutely. I knew you were going to ask that, and that's why I brought the acid. So let's see what happens if I put it in. Remember what I said about the indicator? It's colourless when it isn't alkaline. So if we add acid to this, hopefully it's going to move away from an alkaline solution to a neutral or acidic solution. Have a guess what's going to happen there? I'm going to show you straight away. Come a bit closer again, let's have a look at this solution. I'm going to pour it in, and as I pour it in, it may take quite a bit. Oh, look at that! We've got a nice little fizz as well. And all the pink has completely disappeared. The phenolphthalein is still there, and I can prove that to you because if I add in more of this, we've got a reaction, and it's gone a nice pink colour once again because the solution's gone alkaline. I could do this repeatedly over and over and over again, and as long as the indicator is there, we always get this nice colour change. Well, thank you very much for watching, and make sure you join us next time.